Hey there, my name's Duncan. I'm a co-founder and designer at MemberStack, and today I want to show you how to build a membership site with members-only content in Carrd. To do this, you're going to need to set up a few things in Carrd first. Here in my example, I have two different nav bars. One is for new users, and then one is for members, folks who do have an account and they're logged in. Here I have a sign up page, a welcome page where I thank people for signing up, then an upgrade page where folks can change their plan, a dashboard where users can log in and then edit their or access their profile, and a logout page, which is entirely optional. To get started, go into MemberStack and create a membership. Every site needs a membership, so this is always a good place to start. The first thing I'll do is give this a name and then give it a price, which I think we'll just go with, what was it, 99 a year? Yeah, so we'll go with 99 per year. And then I'm going to hide some content. Now to do this, I'm actually going to be hiding sections in Carrd. So I'm just going to give it a name, something short and sweet and simple, just like that. And now over here, MemberStack's going to give me this little bit of code, this little attribute that I can add to Pro elements in Carrd. And I'll just do that real quick so you can see what I'm talking about. So if I click into this and then go to settings, down here, I have an option to paste in an attribute. When I click done, MemberStack now knows this is Pro content and it should only be shown to users who have access to Pro. Up next, we can specify where we want to send people. So here, I'll send people to the welcome page or the welcome section. And then whenever they log back in, I'll send them to the Pro section. Up next, we have this little green bolt icon, and this is a link that we're going to add to our signup buttons. And what this does is essentially just launches the MemberStack signup process. So I'm going to go in and click on my button here, paste that in here, and click done. Next up, I can add the header script to the very top of the site. So I'm going to copy this code, go back over to Carrd, and scroll to the top where I have this embed placed. And then way at the top above any other code, I'm going to paste in this script. Click done. From here, I can save it, publish my changes, wait for Carrd to do its thing, and then click through to view our newly published site. Now, right off the bat, we'll notice that there's only one navbar. That's because I added the attribute to one of those to hide it. And then if we click on our sign up button, we can see we have the option to create an account. So I'll go ahead and just create a plan real quick, and we'll see if the redirects I set were correct after we go through the test mode checkout. Boom, there we go. And now I'm on the hashtag welcome section. I can go through to the dashboard, and then I don't think I have my profile link set up yet. Nope, I don't. So let's go ahead and do that now. I'm going to go back over into MemberStack, and from the dashboard, I can go to create or enable member profiles. So I can just copy this and then paste it into my site, which is right up here. So I'll click into this, go to my profile, and then make sure this is hashtag ms-profile, which it already is. Now I'll click done, and real quick, I'll show you what it is that's showing and hiding these different nav bars. So this one just has the ms-hide equals pro attribute on it. And then this one has a different attribute which hides it from any member. So anytime you use this attribute, it's going to hide that content from anybody who's logged in. So I'm going to click done and then go back into MemberStack and head over to the dashboard, see what's left to do. For the login form, we just need to do add a little attribute or a link to the login modal. That's pretty easy. We can customize our branding, invite team members or clients to the project. We can add more sign-up fields and collect that info whenever a user goes to sign up. And then when we're ready to go live, we want to accept real payments or remove the test mode label from our site, we can click here to learn how to publish a membership. A few other things is that we do have a Zapier integration, webhooks, and a front-end API, so there is more advanced functionality that you can get into with MemberStack. And to close it all out, I'm just going to add that if you have any questions, need help, or just want to stop in and say hi, I highly recommend joining our Slack channel and community forum. We have some of the nicest community members around, so I highly recommend getting involved.